Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three different job updates. So the first company, that is TransUnion, and the second one is Blueberry, and the third one is DEP. So these are the three job updates for today. So we shall quickly see the job details and everything for each of these company. So the first company, that is TransUnion of Campus, is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, and the degree required, so both bachelor's degree as well as master's degree, so they are eligible to apply. Like BTech, ME or MTech graduates are eligible, and the experience needed, so it is for freshers, and the salary of the CTC, so 15 lakhs per annum. So we shall quickly see the eligibility criteria and everything for this TransUnion. So the first thing is that the tech stack which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So you need to be strong in Java programming, and you need to have knowledge on various J2EE technologies with Spring Boot, Spring JPA as well as Spring JDBC, and knowledge of SOAP as well as REST API, and knowledge of JSON and Apache Camel. So these are the skills which are needed, and web services using either SOAP or REST. And you need to have knowledge on Jenkins as well as pipeline deployment using Groovy scripts, and you need to have good understanding of various software development agile practices, and knowledge of RPA tools is needed, and you need to have knowledge of RDBMS. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. And there are few optional skills, like if it is good to have these skills, like if you have knowledge on Docker and Kubernetes, so it will be an added advantage for this particular job role. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply. So to apply, you can just click on apply, and it is through Workday jobs. So you can see there are 4 different ways to apply for this particular job role. You can autofill with resume, or you can apply manually, or you can use your last application. Like if you already have the account with Workday jobs, you can just use your last application, or you can choose the last option, that is apply with LinkedIn. So you can choose any of these options to apply, and you can just apply for this particular job role. So this was all about the first company, that is TransUnion, and the second company, it is Blueberry of Campus, is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for software engineer, and initially they are hiring as an intern for 6 months. So post completion of internship you will be hired as a full-time. And the degree required, so bachelor's degree as well as master's degree, and the experience, so freshers 0 to 1 years of experience is needed, and the salary of the CTC they are offering, it is 5 LPA, and the work location is either Bengaluru or Hyderabad. So then coming to the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So the main skill is that you need to have knowledge in either PHP as well as MySQL, and basic understanding of Symfony analysis as well as Elasticsearch. So you need to have 2 skills to apply. You need to be good in PHP development as well as knowledge of database, that is MySQL. And then, so as said, the internship, it will be for 6 months. So to apply, you can just click on I am interested, and then so you can see this is the application form. So you can apply with Indeed if you have the account, or you can upload your updated resume manually, and you can fill all the required details. So you can add your personal details, then you can add your experience details, and then third section is education details. So you can mention the education details, and later you need to add few of the links, like to mention the LinkedIn URL or any of the website. If you prefer, you can add GitHub URL and everything. And if you have any of the questions, you can just add that question, and you can just check box it and submit the application form. So this is the simple application form for Blueberry. So this was all about the second company, that is Blueberry, and the third company, it is DEP of Campus, is hiring, and the role they are hiring, it is for associate software engineer, and the experience, so 0 to 1 years of experience is needed, and the degree required, so they are hiring for ME or MTech graduates, and the salary of the CTC, so starting salary, it is 3.5 to 4.5 LPA, and the work location is Chennai. So coming to the application link, so it is through Naukri. So you can see the job description, like the eligibility criteria. As mentioned, ME or MTech graduates are eligible from mechanical or computer science streams, and the batch eligible is either 2023 or 2024, and the percentage criteria, it is 70% in either 10th, 12th as well as graduation, or if you have done pursued diploma, so you need to have minimum 70%. And then the skills which are needed, like the programming languages, you need to be strong in either C++, Python or JavaScript, and so knowledge of FEA. So like those from mechanical streams, so they particularly mentioned like mechanical as well as computer science, so these two streams are eligible to apply. And those who are strong in coding using C++, so they are eligible to apply. So these are the skills, and the bond is 2.5 years, and the salary of the CTC, so it ranges from 3.5 to 4.5 LPA. And the interview process, that is selection process, the first round will be written test, in which it includes various sections like general aptitude, general maths as well as C++ programming, that is C++ MCQ questions. And second will be technical interview, and third will be the HR interview. So these are the rounds included in the selection process. So to apply, you can just click on apply, and here you can see few of the questions, so you can just add all the details, and you can just answer the questions, and you can just submit the application form to apply for this particular role. So the link for all of these 3 job updates, so it will be provided separately in the description. You can quickly go and apply for these roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.